Oriental poison. Baby Brown, Rasim John, bang. Let go. We are back in this bitch, BE repertoire. Holler back to my clique, I'm a rap superstar. Click, click in your face, boom, everywhere we are. And we know what we do is heavy mark. Look, I talk about a BE record star, so my campaign grows. I like to welcome to my yard, touchdown for my bitches. Pink camouflage, military soldiers in the big Hummer cars. I'm sitting in the club to chill, look around. I smell bad, model chicks in the club, pulling bitch with no fear. Big booties and tits, sex style, underwear. Hot band, G-string, fuck everyone and everywhere. That's the way how we party, call your crew, we be there. Baby Brown is the name, aka Bubble Bear. Do you know what I mean? Oriental poison. Oriental poison.
What's up?
I'm your gangster kid, no GT money but a platinum hit. I wait for an exclusive major deal. Holla to my dogs and I got a tired of chill. You chill with the kid who be rockin' this bitch. No job, no ice and no fancy things. No crib, no cars and a diamond bling. But in my hood, everybody call me Platinum King. I'm a giant, I'm bigger than a golden range. Call me subwoofer, I'm the reason why your truck getting banged. I do my thing on my right way, look at the front. Fuck you, Jay. Money thing, bitches in credit cards. To make a dream about the easy lifestyle boss. And he told me like a brother, baby, we get rich. But the game be spitting Oriental poison. Oriental poison. Trigger finger 21 gunshot salute. Motherfuckers hatin', cause I be the hood. Hypnotized by my rhymes, I'm so Hollywood. BE record crew, we are boys from the hood. Oriental poison. Oriental poison. Baby Brown, Rasim John production. You know what it is. Back in the booth.